sobrang hirap makausap, ni hindi mo makausap. Minsan, ibabato na lang nila sa'yo yung task. Nakakainis pag yung client, they will just drop everything in your lap and expect you to know what to do even if they haven't trained you. Hi, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede yung sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Today is the day ng October revamp. Every other trainings or batches, babagsakan ko sila ng mga ganitong task para lang ma-experience nila bago pa man nila ma-experience. Because in reality, may mga clients talaga na just because either one, sobrang busy nila, or two, hindi lang sila sanay mag-train ng tao or mag-lead ng tao, lalo na kung maliit pa lang yung team nila or sila pa lang talaga mismo yung kausap mo. And what they would normally do is they will just give you the task. They would probably list down step 1, step 2, step 3, and then this is my expected output. Pero hindi ka na nila ito-train. And so, for my mentees to know exactly what it feels like, ginagawan ko sila ng ganitong date na sa training, ang gagawin ko, bibigyan ko lang sila ng, okay, guys, this is your homework. I need this done by this date. Or, team, I need this done by tomorrow. Can you figure out this? Or bibigyan ko sila ng isang araw na parang I I pretend to be a very difficult client na I expect you to have an output with what limited information I give you, and I want to see how creative you are. I want to see how you communicate. Kasi in the real world, ang daming ganitong clients. Lalo na kung during interview sinabi mo na, I know how to do this, I know how to do that. To a point na, dito na pumapasok yung nagsasabi ng fake it till you make it. Because if you do that, and then your client gives you a task, tapos hindi mo nagawa, dun palang makikita na nila na, ay, hindi. This person, when I interviewed them, lied to me and said that he can do something when as a matter of fact, hindi pa nila alam kung paano gawin. And what I want my mentees to realize is that you will be dealing with different clients, different personalities, different business structures. At kapag ikaw, sa simpleng instruction pa lang, hindi ka makasunod, it will be very difficult for you to grow as a virtual assistant, as a freelancer. So as early as now, I want to be able to train them, make sure that they are aware na may mga ganitong instances, na may mga ganitong clients. And nakikita ko na kagad kung ano yung iba't ibang uri ng response ng mga mentees. How are they going to deal with it? How are they going to deal with the difficult client? And this is something that you can expect from most of our trainings. At times, sinasadya ko na kulang yung instruction. Minsan, ang gagawin ko naman is bibigyan ko lang sila ng homework, hindi ko sila kakausapin. Or minsan, I will let them practice stretching their brain cells to a point na gusto kong makita how is this mentee going to reach out. Susundin ba niya yung SOP? Susundin ba niya yung ganito? Susundin ba niya yung ganyan? Or magiging creative siya para ma-achieve yung output na ina-expect for that particular topic? Alam mo yun, there are times kasi na may mga tao that they expect that when they pay for trainings like this is spoon feeding. And this is not something that you can expect from us. Anyway, yun lang, chinika ko lang. Meron na ba kayong na-handle na ganitong client? Yung